Good day, ma'am. A pleasant day to you. I am Jezebel B. Ramirez, and I would like to respectfully present my video presentation about the 7 C's of effective communication. In this presentation, I will briefly explain each of the 7 C's and shows example on how they help us communicate clearly, correctly, and respectfully in our daily interactions. So, I hope you will find this presentation helpful. So, why do effective communication so important? Communication is a very important part of our daily lives, especially for us as teachers in school, whether we are talking to our students, to our co-teachers, to our classmates or group members. Effective communication help us share ideas clearly, avoid misunderstanding, and build a good relationship. So there are 7 C's of an effective communication. The first one is clarity. Clarity means expressing ideas clearly and directly. For example, instead of saying submit it soon, a teacher clearly says, please submit your assignment by Friday. And the second one is conciseness. Conciseness means keeping the message short and straight to the point. For example, saying class starts at 8 a.m. instead of giving a long explanation. So the third one is completeness. Completeness means providing all the necessary information. For example, solve pages 25 and 26, numbers 1 to 10, addition of two-digit numbers. Write your answer in your notebook and submit it on Friday, December 15. The fourth one is correctness. Correctness means using proper grammar, spelling, and correct facts. For example, the capital of the Philippines is Manila. So this is a grammatically correct and a factual accurate. And the fifth one is concreteness. Concreteness means being specific and clear. For example, saying study chapter 1 to 3 for the test instead of study the lesson. So the sixth one is courtesy. When we say courtesy, it means being polite and respectful. For example, saying excuse me or thank you when talking to a teachers or a classmates. The seventh is consideration. When we say consideration, it means thinking about the listener's needs and feelings. So, for example, a teacher explains the lesson more slowly and uses simple words after noticing that some pupils are having difficulty in understanding. So, this shows a consideration because the teachers adjust the lesson based on the learner's needs and feelings. So, I have here a situation. This is to email a teacher. So, good day, ma'am. I would like to ask about our science project. May I confirm if the project should be written in a long bond paper and submit on Friday, December 15? Thank you for your time and guidance. So, in this example, it shows the 7 C's because the message is clear and concise, correct in grammar, complete with needed details, and concrete in asking specific questions, courteous and considerate in tone, and coherent in arrangement. To summarize the 7 C's of effective communication, it helps us express our thoughts clearly, politely, and effectively. So they are important because they prevent confusions and improve understanding. So my personal takeaway is that using the 7 C's can help me communicate better in school and in everyday situation. So that's it. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something useful today.